Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Mark Shepard, and we are here at day 8 of my Hypnosis of Money challenge, my 90-day challenge. It is August 7th. I started on Monday, July 31st. It is now Monday, August 7th, and I wanted to show you where I am at this point with my Ambis account, and just to kind of bring you up to date. And then we're going to look at the cryptos, and then I've got a bunch of other videos I want to make for you today, some strategic ones, and just a brilliant idea from this wonderful guy, Ryan, who is in my upline of he's the guy that turned me on to Ambis, and I'm going to share a little bit of in the next video what he's doing and how I'm going to start doing it too. Okay, and you can do it too. So here we are. And my total profit at the moment, we're going to hit refresh here so we get an accurate Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now trading at $33.99, by the way. That's pretty exciting. And I am up $432. That is in 8 days, people. My son it's funny. My son immediately starts texting me the minute I start making a video. So I'm just going to tell him, just started my daily trade video. I'll text you when I'm done. He's on vacation in a little cabin in Michigan right now. I texted him early this morning that I was up $432.15 on Ambis, and part of that is also because of Bitcoin has moved, and Ambis does all their stuff in Bitcoin. So if you invest $100 in Bitcoin and then Bitcoin goes up, then your account should go up, even if Ambis is not adding that hourly compounding, which I love. Okay, so my account is up 28.6411. My son's like, will it ever stop? I'll text you when I'm done. You're now in today's video. Just a little bit about this new idea that Ryan, my upline guy, was talking about. All right, so that's the check-in with Ambis. I didn't even fully fund Ambis until Friday, people. I just put $100 in on Monday, a couple more hundred on Tuesday, a couple more hundred on Wednesday, and by Friday I was like, okay, this is really cool. And I had taken some profits. And just like, hi, America. I had taken some profits from my Bitcoin trades, and so I took those profits and popped them into Ambis. So essentially, am I gonna famous? Yes, Andrew. Yes, you will be famous. Now hush, so I can finish my video for the nice people at home. LOL. All right. That's the other cool thing I'm doing. This is my son. My other best friend, Michael Guerin, just got into it yesterday. I mean, he's been doing a little bit. I've got another friend coming over tonight. I'm going to teach him about it. And that's the other thing that we haven't even talked about, is that all of these programs have affiliate programs, so that if you are doing well and you happen to tell somebody and they sign up with your code, that's another stream of income that you can make. So just keep that in mind. And for me, that's the least of my focus right now. I want to just focus on doing the best job I can and making good videos that are helpful to you and also helpful to me. This this is how I'm holding myself accountable, so I can go back and see, what was I thinking, and if it was a good thought process, how can I continue to do that? Because sometimes we get into something, we have beginner's luck because we are approaching something with humbleness, right? And then we have some success, and we sometimes get a little cocky, a little arrogant, a little overconfident, and that's what I'm trying to stalk in myself, because I tend to go for it when I see an opportunity. So anyway, so Ambis, if you are going to do this, please use my referral code. And let me just go down to the transactions here, and all the referral codes are below these videos. So every hour, 903, 803, 703, they gave me some money, compounding interest, compounding hourly, and so I'm on hourly basis. Whoops, wrong place here. Hourly basis, I'm making $4.29 an hour. Now you add that up. Let's get the calculator. Calculator. What is $4 times 24 hours? Oh, 96 bucks. Okay, so I'm making about $100 a day, right? On a $2,000 investment, right? So that's exciting. But again, it's high risk. Only play with money that you can afford to lose. And if I do lose it, I will be pissed, but I will get over it. You know what I mean? So, so that's Ambis, the update. Let me just go and do a quick look at the markets just to give you an idea of what Bitcoin's doing and what I would do if I were going to make a decision or make a trade this morning. I probably won't because it's so up. The thing is, you want to train yourself to not chase a rising market, right? So it has moved significantly, and there's always retractions. Look at the chart. There's always retractions after a big move, right? So we've had a big move. Now we're going to wait for a retraction. Let's look at the hour. So it's coming down a little bit in this hour. Let's look at the 30 minutes, coming down a little bit in the 30 minute. All right, let's look at the minutes. We are having in our minutes, we're having a little retraction. It was up at 34.29, and now it's back down to 33.86. So, but notice the support. See the support on this 1 minute chart? It doesn't really want to go below 33.79. So, if I were to buy some Bitcoin today, I would definitely check these 1 minutes, because you're going to see what it's doing at the moment, so you can kind of gauge what the momentum is. And you always want to buy when the momentum is, kind of in a little bit of a pullback. You never want to buy at the tip top, right? And it's not always possible to do that, right? So right now, I'm going to keep watching that as the day goes. If we have any kind of a significant retracement, I will see if I can buy some Bitcoin then. So now it's the 1 minutes are moving up again, right? So this is a market. This is a market that we don't know, where it's going to go, and that's what's exciting, right? But be careful. Sometimes excitement is good. Sometimes excitement is not so good. So be aware, be wise, be foolish enough to go for it, and wise enough to own your experience. Looks like Ethereum has made its move. I said it was going to make a move. Didn't I say? I said Ethereum was going to make a move, right? I've got a little bit of Ethereum. I think I bought it somewhere around here. I can't remember. And that's the other thing. I need to keep a spreadsheet of when I buy stuff. I'm starting to do that. I can be sloppy. I'm an artist, a musician. I don't like the methodical stuff, but it's really important if you're going to run anything like a business to keep track of what you're spending and what you're earning, so that you can make decisions based on actual facts, not just on feelings. Okay, so let's run through Ethereum, the 1 hour. Boom, it's up on the 1 hour. It's up on the 30 minute, and it's up on the 1 minute too. So Ethereum is making some moves here. But you can see the trading range on the 1 minutes, you know, and right now it's kind of in the middle of that trading range. So it's not the worst place to buy, but I would try to, on the 1 minute chart, get it as it's taking, finding its support. So there is support right here at 269. There's more support down here at 268, but 269 is the new on the minutes. 269 on Ethereum is the new price point, the new support point. All right, so that's Ethereum. Gonna go back up. Dash. I have a little bit of Dash in my Exodus wallet, which is on my laptop, which I can't turn on today. So that's another piece. Back up your wallet, people. Like, back it up. Every time you do something, back it up. I got to take my laptop to the Apple Store and see if they can get it to turn on. It won't turn on. And hopefully I didn't lose that money, but I only have a small amount still left in the wallet because I moved everything to Ambis, right? And to Genesis Mining and some of these other things, which I will get into more. That's it for the morning market. Oh, wait. We got to go through the hours. There's Dash. It's looking pretty up on the hours, on the 30 minutes. Coming up on the 1 minutes. It's kind of in the middle of its trading range, all right? And so go to Litecoin. So this is what I do like all day, every day. Whenever I have a break or one of my other videos is processing, I just check the markets, right? And I don't recommend, if you don't have time to look at it, don't do it. Just get some Bitcoin and put it into one of these other programs. But for me, I like this trading piece as a way to try to, when I get into Bitcoin or some of these other coins, is to
Restore dry hair with replenishing care. Whole blends by Garnier. New legendary olive hair care.
And where is that coming
Infused
from?
With olive oil and olive leaf extracts.
How do I turn it
softens and shines.
For naturally beautiful, replenished hair. Garnier Whole Blend.
There's some ads somewhere on this site, and I may have to find a different site. There's that chick right there. There's her ad. Stop her. Not happy about that. That's new. Okay, so anyway, Litecoin is looking sweet. If Bitcoin is too volatile for you, get into some Litecoin because it is just moving along here, and it's gonna test this top, but it's still trading in a sideways range. It's at the top of that sideways range right now. Let's dive in and look at the hours. Still a sideways range, but it's at the top of that sideways range. You see these sideways ranges, and you know it's going to break out. But you want to buy here. You don't want to buy here if you can. Right? Sometimes you just need to get some Bitcoin and move it into something else. Just buy it and move it. You're going to be okay. All right? But on the 1 minutes, again, Litecoin, you can't paint a better steady picture going up. So, and we're on the 1 minutes, we're kind of down here at 46. Let me run through here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on Litecoin. I may get some later. I'm gonna kind of keep an eye on that today because that's looking pretty good. And I love Litecoin because it's got so much room to move. If Litecoin is Bitcoin silver to gold, Bitcoin gold, Litecoin silver, this is going to start moving. So that's it for today. That's the market quicko analysis, and I'm going to end this video because I've got to try to keep these videos a little shorter. I got a bunch more that I want to talk to you about today, so I'm going to do that. My name is Mark Shepard. This is the Hypnosis of Money, and you are looking at literally the thoughts of millions of people and their actions. And individuals are not predictable, but crowds are. There's a wonderful book written years and years ago about the stock market. It was something about the psychology of crowds or something, and I read it years ago, and it was really kind of cool. So pay attention to that and realize this is also a reflection of you and your fears, your greed, your desires, your hopes, your dreams, all of the things that we humans bring to the table when the money comes out, because people get serious about stuff when the money shows up. So I highly encourage you, if you're just beginning to figure or think about this stuff, take $100 that you're not afraid to lose, go to Coinbase, set up an account, use my code, you'll get $10 a Bitcoin, I'll get $10 a Bitcoin. The code is below the video, and buy $100 a Bitcoin. Then open an Ambis account, use my code below this video, and then move that $100 of Bitcoin into Ambis and watch it grow. And then the next time you see Bitcoin at a place where you want to buy another $100, right? Or just set it up at Coinbase where you are just buying $20 every day. If it goes up, you'll buy less automatically. If it goes down, you'll buy more. Whatever you want to do, right? This is your thing. I'm just showing you my thing. This is my strategy. You've got to find your strategy. And it's helpful to see other people. Click around, see what else you can find. And I highly recommend, my upline is a guy named Ryan Berkness. Check his stuff out, but use my code because he'll benefit if you use my code too. So you can help us both. And he's putting out really good videos that I'm finding really helpful. And I heard about Ambis from him, and I heard about this new thing called microhash from him, which I'm going to talk about next. All right, that's it. Over and out. Peace, grooviness, love. Also, if you like music, check out some of the new songs I just put up on my channel here. I'm putting everything on the same channel so you can see a multi-disciplined, multi-interested human being who might be just like you, trying to find how to make a living without a job. All right? So that's why I'm taking whatever money I have, and I'm looking to grow it aggressively so that I can fund my music and a simple yet wonderful lifestyle without a job. I haven't had a job since, a long time. I've been self-employed for many, many years. I've made lots of mistakes. I've tried lots of things. I've failed what people would say was failure, but actually were wonderful learning experiences. So that's it. Blah, blah, blah. I can talk forever. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Over and out. And that is it.